Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics class 9 from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today I discuss the remaining question of volume of cylinder of exercise 13.6. So we discuss the question number 5. We discuss the question number 5 of this exercise, and the question is, it costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter, find the inner curved surface area of the vessel, radius of the base and capacity of the vessel. So total cost of the painting, total cost of painting equal to rupees 00, and the height in bracket D h is equal to 10 meter. Cost per square meter, cost per meter square equal to 20. So the curved surface area, the curved surface area of the curved surface area rupees 2200 upon 20 equal to 110 meter square. So the CSA of vessel, CSA of cylindrical vessel, cylindrical vessel is equal to 2 pi RH 110. So R is equal to 110 upon 2 pi H, and 110 upon 2 into 22 into 7 into 10, 11, 2 and 7 by 4, 1.75 meter. 1.75 meter is the radius, and third is the volume of vessel is equal to pi r square h, 22 by 7, 7 by 4, 7 by 4 into 10. So 7 cancel, 2, 11, 17, upon 8, 9, 6, meter cube. Clear? 96.25 meter cube are equal to 96.25 kiloliter. So we discuss the question number 5 of that. To satisfy the given condition, of that, therefore the total cost of painting is given and the cost per meter square is given. Now we find the chord surface area for painting is 110 meter square. The CSA is calculated. After the CSA, we calculate the radius such that then after we calculate the volume of a cylindrical vessel. Clear? Next question. The next question, the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter. Question number 6, H is equal to 1 meter and value equal to 15.4 liter. How many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Volume of cylindrical vessel pi r square h 15.4 into 1000 centimeter cube and pi 22/7 into r square into 100 15,400 centimeter cube and r square is equal to 15,400 into 7 upon 22 into 100. 7 and r is equal to 7 centimeter. So r is equal to 7 upon 100, 0.07 meter. So the curved surface area of the cylinder, curved surface area, curved, how many square meter of metal sheet, that is the curved surface, total surface area of closed cylinder. Now next is the total surface area of vessel equal to 2 pi r h plus r. 2 into 22 by 7, 0.07, 1 plus 0.07. 2 into 22 into 0.01 into 1.07. 44.44 into 1.07, 107, 44. 4708 point meter cube, 0.4708 meter cube is the volume of metal which is required to make the closed cylindrical vessel. Clear? Next question. A lead pencil consists of cylindrical of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in interior. The diameter of pencil is 7 millimeter. Diameter of pencil 7 millimeter. Radius 7 by 2, 1 upon 10, 3.5 upon 10, 0.35 centimeter. Diameter of graphite 1 millimeter. So radius 1 by 2 millimeter, 1 upon 20, 0.05 centimeter. So the height of length of pencil, pencil 40 centimeter. So the volume of graphite, equal to pi r square h 22 by 7 into 0.05 into 40. 44.2500 and 44. So 0.11 centimeter cube. 0.11 centimeter cube is the volume of graphite. Volume of graphite is 0.11 centimeter cube, and the volume of pencil, volume of wood, pi r square x minus pi r square x, so pi h r square minus r square, and 22/7 into 14, 0.05 square minus 0.35, 0.05 square, just equal to 44, 0.35 plus 0.05, 0.35 minus 0.05. Clear? Now the rest of 44 into 0.40, 0.30. Now see, clear? Okay, thank you.